What's up, guys? What's up? We back. I'm back. We back. I'm back. We back. I got a guest here today. It's my lady, Kayla. Love this one. Alright. Today, I'm gonna be teaching y'all how I make this beat called phone calls. Ooh. Alright, let's get into it. So, you what?
I almost dropped the sucker.
Almost dropped you. Alright, so what I started with a, well, if I can find it, God. I started with a MIDI from the Kit Plug. I'm telling you, told you last video, and I'm telling you this video. Go to their site and download their kits. They're fire. Anyway, I used Twilight, their MIDI melody kit, and I used the specific one, Outfit. Alright, I'm gonna put it in the FL keys so you guys can hear what it sounds like. Fire, right? It's fire. Fire.
Crazy.
So what I did was opened up Nexus twice, 3 times.
Just me.
And I used some of the chords. I used the main chords right here to to basically put in Nexus for a different sound because I didn't want the regular piano sound. I used the piano preset PN Wild West Salute. And this is what it sounds like. Hey. And then the counter melody, the counter melody, I used the same piano. I used the same Wild West Salute piano, but I put it an octave higher. So, yeah. I'm sorry, I lied. This is the same octave.
Go higher. Alright, so I was like, that's cool and all, you know, that's cool. So but I wanted to add something extra to the chords. So I went to Dex, a plugin called Dex. You should go check it out. It's cool. It's pretty cool. It's pretty cool. I use Pharaoh, and I made my own pattern with the chords just to like bring out the chords a little bit more and give it like another feel. So here it is. You can barely hear it, but here it is by itself. And then with everything. And the whole melody itself is like kind of playful and like, you know, joyful. So I wanted to like bring out the counter melody and like some like playful type noises. So I went into Pluck and I messed with it a little bit. So what's Pluck?
Pluck, it's a plugin. Pluck is a plugin. It like it just makes a pluck sound.
Oh, the strings?
Yeah, basically. Yeah. Like yeah, basically. So yeah, I use that and the Nexus Grand Soft Piano to like kind of give the counter melody more of a joyful noise. So here it is. Alright, now.
Play it by itself.
Play what by itself?
Pluck.
Play the pluck by itself?
Yeah.
The pluck by itself is ugly in my opinion. But here it is.
You think that's ugly?
No, never mind. It's not ugly. I'll change my mind. I forgot I edited it and stuff, so it wouldn't be ugly. But yeah, pluck. This is pluck by itself with the reverb. Alright, and then after that, you know I had to bring in the 808s, you know what I'm saying? Oh, you hear it? Oh, alright. So, what I did with the 808s was, I just followed the chord pattern, and I used, I didn't use exactly the root note, I just went in and, played around with, played around with different notes to decide exactly where I wanted the 808s to be placed and would sound good. So here is the melody with the 808s. Alright, and then went to the claps. I had to layer them, you know how we do it out here with the layer, and it just sounds better. Also added snares for more layering as well. Pattern right here, you know, I added a little extra flavors and rolls and stuffs. The 808 pattern like has like its like the way it ends, it sounds like it should be transitioning into like something else to bring in something else for the 808 pattern ends like it's gonna transition into another part of the song where like sounds are different or whatever. So I just used a snare to kind of like follow that and give it another transition, so you know, so the listener knows like something else is about to come. So I made another pattern and I added kicks. Kind of follows the 808 a little bit and goes off and does its own thing at the same time. It's amazing. And that is how I made phone calls, and that is the whole
yeah.
Yeah, that's how I made it. That is how I made phone calls.
Wow.
Ooh.
That's amazing. It really is. You want to hear it.
You want to hear it? You gotta go stream that John. You know what I'm saying? Go to where, baby? Where they gotta go to stream it?
iTunes.
iTunes, where else?
Spotify.
Spotify, where else?
Google Play.
Google Play, what else?
I don't know the other ones.
She don't know the other ones, but you can go to Amazon and all streaming platforms. Go to them. Stream.
You get a stream.
Stream.
You get a stream.
Stream. But yeah, guys, that is the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe, hit the like button. We are on the road to 1K. Come on, guys, we can get there.
Let's
We
go.
can get there. Let's go. Let's do it. And we will catch you guys. Well, I will catch you guys in another video. Peace.